Oh, look how drizzly this is.
What's up, guys?
Today we're doing another video, and today we're making slime.
And that's why I made it so messy.
And we added some activator and we added some baking soda. So now we're adding more materials. Mine is not that janky. My side is not that janky.
That's not fair. How is walking?
Well, because we haven't added. I'm not
Don't put
This
too
just
much.
melts the slime.
KK, you need some activator.
Yeah, I'm adding some baking soda and I'm adding that activator with it.
I'm adding all this.
Monty, you put no. You put some of this, Monty.
No, that's not melting. I need some water.
I'm gonna mix it. Ooh, it's working, guys.
I need water.
Can you pass me the contact solution and the baking soda, please?
It's finally sticking.
That's not the baking soda. That's not the baking soda.
Can I need some baking soda? Yeah. And contact solution. You need a lot.
Y'all, when you add both, it activates.
Thank you. And then just some beets.
Y'all got some on my nail.
That's what you get.
That's
Got my
mine.
nail painted, y'all.
We're painting Daddy nails. It's the same color as mine. So yeah. Okay, I'm gonna add some more baking soda.
I just rolled
Oh, I just realized something. I just messed up my other hand.
Oh, bruh. Hi guys, the slide did not work for the last night. I really wanted to put the slide. There's something wrong with this contact solution, or there's something wrong with the baking soda. But we use solution, baking soda, detergent, salt, water, and baking soda together, and that all didn't work. And it was so chunky, it had chunky pieces. And Chipmunk even had to add some of her other slime.
And some got on my tongue.
Yeah.
The baking soda. No, she put it on her tongue. She was like,
I get poison now.
so peace, guys.
No, I mixed it.